Hard again. Turn the lights down low. Look at that chart. You know what time it is. It is time to get paid. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you, pays. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Been waiting all day. Let the price come down. Right into the golden pocket. Nice and slow. Get the friction on. Yeah, yeah. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you. Oh, let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Woo, yeah. Let's get it a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you. Oh, let's get a pink box. Oh yeah.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang, gang. What is going on? Holy, what a day yesterday. My goodness. Holy smokes, Batman. Give me that pink box love, baby. You guys gotta let me know. Did you guys make money yesterday? Whew. Oh, man, what a day. Put a 1 in the chat if you made money yesterday. Put a 2 in the chat if you didn't make money yesterday. And put a 3 in the chat if you were just yesterday. What's going on, gang? Let's jump into the chat. 1, 1, 3. 1, 1. I want to see ones, man. What's going on with this? Come on. Good morning. Let's go, baby. Let's go. This is ancient astronaut theory. Okay, this hair is your fault, everybody. All right. This is ancient astronaut theory hair. Okay. All right. My sources, bro. Trust Trust my sources, bro. All right? Get at me. This is all your fault. Don't talk about my hair like that. Trust my sources, bro. All right? All right? Oh, man. It's Alexandra G's fault. She says I look good with long hair. And all of you, this is actually who you're trading against. Let's go, baby. Oh, man, what a day yesterday. Beautiful volatility, beautiful pump and dump, and the SFP, the short continuation. We got short here like 3 times. We got long, short, you name it, man. I made just about $4,000 yesterday. My God, retired the bloodline kind of money yesterday. Jeez, let's go, baby. Hi from Turkey. What's going on, man? Good to see you. I'm hi from Canada. What's going on, man? Good to see you. George, how's it going, man? Good morning. Shumi, Florida. How you guys doing? Mob the Great. Give me that pink box. I had to start it off. Come on, Piper, man. We just hit pink boxes for the wins yesterday. We hit our flip zone. We rejected. We continued down. We rugged everybody, and it looks like it might come lower again. Oh, man. Micron earnings. Guys, this is just ridiculous, man. Holding up the whole AI world. Up 20% pre-market. Damn, Micron. Damn, Daniel. I was going to buy at 875. I think that, I prefer 700. I prefer 700. Yeah. It's pretty expensive right now. But damn. SpaceX is up pre-market. Kathy Wood's in the green again. Kathy's got wood. Watch out, man. And this volatile Bitcoin choppiness, man. Look at this. Chop into the pink box. Bearish divergence. Mitigation of the low. Retest continuation down. Beautiful. Short. The gang was ready. Were you ready? Did you have the guy give you the pink box? All right. I don't know. I gave the pink box in advance, and the Discord be printing. I think Django's up like doubled his account or something crazy like that. Let's go, Django. GG's to Django. I like saying GG's to Django because Django been putting in the work. Is he here? D Django. There he is. Let's say everybody say GG's Django, because you see him putting in the work. That's the thing. He asks questions. He takes trades. He traded orb strategy for a while. I don't know. Maybe he's just about that pink box now. I don't know what he's trading exactly, but he's been putting in the work in the Discord, man. And I see your growth, man. He's a grower and a shower. Look at that. B-Rad Crypto, Rashad, Crypto Jim, Brian, Lorelei. What's going on, Lorelei? How you been? Marius, good to see you. How you been? Trace, Army Piper in the chat. MRPG, good morning. Good to see you. Shrian, thank you for always being here, Mr. Time. Chantel, always a pleasure. Good to see you. How you doing? Good morning. Man, got wood, 1980. If you still, every morning you're here and you got wood and you're born in 1980, you're doing all right, man. You're doing all right. That means you're like 46 with morning wood. That's life goals, man. A lot of people don't have the morning wood and, 46 years old. They tend to be like that movie. What is it? Lake Placid? Is that the movie? Lake Placid? No, Lake Placid. That's the one. It's not even Friday yet, and we're already going down the road, man. Curtis Hill, what's going on? Dusty, Wiggly, Alexandra G. Let's go, baby. What's going on? You guys ever been to Lake Placid? You got... I knew you guys would like that. What a movie. Wasn't that crocodile movie? Like, you only know that movie if you're in the 90s. What a horrible movie, right? Oh, man, we gotta laugh, man. Good job, Django. Look at that. GG's, bro. Karim, what's going on? How many holes does a straw have? This one's always controversy. I say 2, man. I say there's two holes. Depends on if you can see both ends, right? Like if you can see, if you bend it, there's 2 holes, man. I don't know. I always say 2 because we're in the Matrix. Oi, what's going on, baby genius? Good to see you, man. How you doing? God bless you, Karim. Oh, Alexander G, just reminding you guys to hit the like button and subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, that's very nice of you, Alex. Most people don't hit the like button here until I tell them a joke. Oh, my eyes are itchy today. I was doing some drywall work. I'm installing a TV. Guys, as a carpenter, I hate installing TVs. I hate it. Ugh, I hate it. Anyways, I won't go down that road. Oh, he's starting out like this. I ain't buying you no drink. Pink boxes. Pink boxes have been paying the gang up, down, all around. I ain't got to buy you a drink now. We be printing, man. Karim, good to see you. JR Prince, how you doing, brother? Paul P. How you doing, man? Jay Becker, Rashad, Cubanadian, my man. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Marius, I found a butcher yesterday. You should see these steaks. My God. I didn't buy any steaks. I just got some sirloin. What are they? Sirloin kebabs. Whoo. They were delicious, man. Anything to use that barbecue, man. Good heat wave morning. Dang. Where you at, G1? I heard it's hot in Europa. Hot in Europe. It ain't hot here, man. It's perfect. It's like 22 degrees. It's sunny, man. It's a deep hole, says Marius. Jay Becker, good to see you. Ada Ace, how you doing, bro? I don't know how much good things I could have said about Alexo this morning on my show. That's awesome, man. Did you get some followers? Everybody should be following Ada Ace, man. I shouted you out yesterday. We could shout you out again. Yarbrook, good to see you. AlexOCrypto, Milan, Cena. You probably go live before I can even think, right? I'm probably still sleeping. I am on the west side. Yeah, it's only 6 in the morning here, guys. VWAP double rejection here. Damn, it's choppy though, guys. Look at this. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Volume is very, very choppy here. Interesting. We'll see. I wasn't awake for the pink box short, but we are under VWAP, so we are expected to be bearish right now. Liquidity down below here. We're currently in a golden pocket, 786 locally from swing low to swing high. We could potentially sweep and bounce here. And then I'd be looking for sells down here. Do some more TA as we go here. No trade right now. But yeah, incredible trading day yesterday. Counts at 50, 54, 869, 369. Damn fine. Boom, shaggy, damn it. One more time, get low. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Every single day, man. What's up, Cena? Good to see you. AlexOCrypto, Yarbrook, Milan. How you doing, Fred? Good to see you. A Cozy Hoto. How you doing? Good to see you. Hopefully you all printing. Baby Genius. Stopped out 3 times. Come. That's annoying. That's annoying. Did you short? That special pink box. Yeah, so rotation right now is just, it's the aftermath, really. V-shaped recovery. We got our, what were you guys calling it in the Discord? The horsey or something like that? Pokemon? I don't know. You 3 bearish divergence, mitigation of the low. Typically, you look for this rotation down. However, this was a very aggressive move out. We were looking for longs down here. I longed it a couple times. I mean, I had some $700 trades, $800 trades. I even shorted Solana down here. Yeah, it was juicy, man. It was juicy. So now what we have? Low, high, higher low, potentially. We'll see, right? We do have a break up top, obviously. We have a low right here. So there's our break. So expectational order flow currently right now is this. Depending on how we behave, do we come for these lows? I would like to come back here. I think that would be too easy, though. That would make a very ugly bottom. If we're going to come here, we might as well come here again. So we'll see. We do have news coming out today, don't we? I'm not too late. Look at that. It's Thursday. We have news, right? Big this is where Army Piper is not on Lake Placid. He is Lake Blue Pill. Core PCE. Yeah, so we're waiting for data right now, guys. If you're wondering why I'm not like all into the TA, we're literally waiting for the fake news. The life of a day trader. Don't get in the way of data, right? Trading is hard enough. We got durable goods, GDP, the Italian GDP. Okay, and income and spending. We want income seems to be going down. Spending seems to be going up because everybody's buying GTA 6. If you haven't heard, fucking my whole Twitter feed, GTA 6, GTA 6. Are we going to take like a week off and just trade and play GTA 6, guys? What do you guys think? We could do it. GTA 6 and chill. Mad Professor Hair, that's it. Good morning to the greatest gang. Good morning to the most beautiful daddy. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Trenchy, my mates, good morning. WB, good morning. Notorious, 585, Seek. Asked to grass yesterday. I mean, sometimes violent days are really good to take off, man, especially as like a new trader. Because yesterday it was in and out like a Boy Scout. Quick scalps, easy money, but whew. Good morning, Notorious. Good to see you, Vegas, Master Ada. Oh, I am Canadian Jackie Chan. I don't trade Asia anymore, though. We used to go auto gang, you know, but now we don't do that anymore because Asia makes me angry. The profitability for me in Asia decreased, okay, because I didn't like Asia. I think I was forcing trades. After having like a profitable New York, you go into Asia and you lose, and it's like, this isn't worth it, man. Afternoon in South Africa. Isn't South Africa and Canada playing some football? Switzerland beat our ass yesterday, man. Thank you, Tony. Thank you for that. 2-1. That's all right. We'll be all right, man. Good morning, Clayton. Good to see you. Cyprus. Today will be the same, don't worry. Yeah, dumping. Hi from Turkey. Dave Digital. Good morning, Proof of Work. Good to see you, man. Hi from the sun. It must be hot. Wagwan, my youth. Philly, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. You came live to show off your yesterday trade? Yeah, man. Every day I come here to show off. That's my whole thing. That's why we all hang out here and trade together. Because we like showing off, man. I don't know what that means. Thanks for being here, bro. Right now it's no trade. We're coming into news. That's where we're at, right? So you wanna press buy or sell right now, and then in 10 minutes get rugged. You be my guest. What's going on, G1? Good to see you, DZ. We have lots of economic data. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, bonjour. From you know where? Bonjour. Are you from France or are you from Quebec? Right? France is beautiful. Quebec is disgusting. No. Quebecois. No. How about that week for volatility? It's been profitable, man. Loving it. I put out in the chat yesterday. Did you do it for the chat there, Army Piper? I appreciate it. Slurp. Django, Stacy. Good morning, guys. Good to see you. Decent. Good job, Django, man. Hefe. GG's to Django. How's the move going? Honestly, it's exhausting. There's always something to do. And I'm hanging a TV yesterday, and fuck me. I'm sorry, I have to swear. It was horrible. The anaconda tubing they put in the back is all janky, so you can't fish wires properly. The TV doesn't fucking screw properly. I over-tightened the bolt and stripped it. I punched a hole in the wall to feed the wires, and I have patchwork to do. Anything that could have gone wrong with putting in my big-ass TV has gone bad. I swear to you, I have drywall. Look, my wrist, it looks like I'm an emo kid. I'm in the cavity. I got paper cuts. I got, like, honestly, I've created jobs. That's what I did yesterday, right? Typical carpenter can't even hang a fucking TV. That's how I felt yesterday. I did 3 trips to the Home Depot. Like, I don't even want to talk about it, really. Like, it's just aggravating right now. It's upstairs. It's in a state. It's on the back of my head, and I'm just gonna let it go. But obviously, I haven't let it go. What's going on, Steve Hickey Vegas? There's as much as I can get out there. Can you shout out me? Marang Ming. No, man. Your name's too hard. Fuck that. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Hafiz, how you doing, man? Karim, Django, Florida. What's up, Vegas? Good to see you. Dusty, my man. Mr. Arpad, good morning. Good morning, Josh Parr. Cornwall is 30 degrees. That's called swallocks. That's not even bollocks, man. That's sweaty bollocks, swallocks, and swass. Most definitely. Probably the plan. Yeah. Give me Vice City plus no rules. How's the move? Yeah. We've answered that. Good morning, Blue Orbit. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. Thank you for being here, Karim, French Toaster. Yeah. Can't even hang. Be the goldfish, Alex. Yeah, the memory. Only with trading. Come on, Mr. Carpenter. Trust me, I've been talking negatively to myself all day. All day. It's actually a nightmare. I'm gonna be drilling holes today. The problem is I don't want wires, man. There's no way it's acceptable for me to have wires coming down the bottom of the TV like an absolute chump. So I'm in the thick of it, guys, with the TV. The TV has kicked my ass 3 times yesterday, and that's it. All right, 5 minutes till data, guys. NASDAQ, big pump off of Micron earnings, okay? Big pump up, Bart Simpson-esque, potentially, okay? This is one company leading the way. Bart Simpson-esque. Is it going to crush down today? Okay, ES, same deal. Okay, so we're expecting gap up for SPY. I've already front-ran the gap up for SPY here. Okay, so we're expecting the gap up for SPY for market open, which should be interesting. SpaceX pre-market up. Tesla pre-market down. Okay, you might want to buy some Tesla. I'm going to be buying as we go down here. Okay, MU, Micron, to the moon. 17% A-Lab. It's pulling everything up with it, okay? Semiconductors, all of that. But Google's down. NVIDIA is up pre-market. So we got a mixed bag, guys. Really a mixed bag. Apple's down, okay? So some big-ass companies down. Some big-ass companies up. Mixed bag, which means what? Indecision, right? It means certain sectors are leading the market. That means if they fall, they all fall, which is never good. You can't be propped up for so long, right? You can't be propped up. So we're going to see how this behaves coming into market open. Welcome to Space Grandma. SpaceX is doing okay. NASDAQ. Whew, Solana, my girl. I got long on Solana here yesterday. I got short on Solana here yesterday. Jeez. Just printing, baby. But doesn't look that great either. So we'll see. Yeah. Should be a fun day today, though. I'm always down for, some scalps and some setups. Pink box printing yesterday. I guess we can pull. I mean, this was given in advance to the Discord. I just wanted to brag a little bit, obviously. We come on here to brag. That's it. Not give you guys, a million setups a day in my charts and all that. We don't do anything else. But yeah, we would be looking for potential retracement back into here. We'll see where we get to today. I'm expecting a little bit down right now. VWAP's holding us down. Maybe we get a little volume sweep. We got 2 minutes till the news. A volume sweep of the lows and then maybe a bounce. But right now, Lake Placid, guys. Lake Placid. So, oh, man. I don't know what goes on in this brain sometimes, but it's always fun. Keyhole saw, brother. Yeah, I mean, pull up a photo of your rig. Oh, I don't even want to talk about it. We selling the bottom or buying the top today? I'm always down to buy tops, man. I buy tops to make money, though. You are going to drill holes. Yeah, that is. I've accepted it. I have to accept the loss even when it's against a TV. I do not have risk management with TV. Okay. Check when. What's when? We expect a picture of the final layout of the living room once the TV is set up and all the furniture acquired. Okay. I'll show you. I'll send you guys a picture. I'll send you guys a picture. Rolling over right now, pretty aggressive. All right. Minute and a half. So I dump into the news data. NASDAQ here. Here we go, baby. This should be fun. Okay. NHL draft. Ooh, that's coming out tomorrow, right? Is that tomorrow? NHL draft day? Ooh, baby. Gavin McKenna, Toronto Maple Leafs. Whew. Whew. Yeah, baby. Gotta love that lottery. I need lots of good deals on TVs at P-Mall. Yeah. Come with 2 free DVD. Yeah. Yeah. And a wall mount that couldn't hang a napkin off of. Cable management mandatory. Yeah, it's the living room. In my office, cable management, whatever, man. Do you guys see the cables? Do you see the cables? Here we go. Little push. Let's go, baby. Pumping. Send it to Valhalla, baby. All the fake news is out and we're pumping into the news. Let's go. Big push. And this is why you don't take the trade, guys. All right. Big push into our sell wall here. Continuation up. Core PCE coming in as consensus. Woof. Yeah, Link. Shut up. Pump and dump here. Squeeze, baby. Squeeze. Durable goods. Negative 4.5 as expected. GDP. 2%. That's really good, guys. 2.1%, man. Personal income. Up. Personal spending. Up. Now we wait for Army Piper to tell us what it means. This to me looks pretty good. However, view up slab, continuation up. Below view up. Big sweep. NASDAQ likes it. No trade. Still waiting here. Pump and dump. Looks like pump and dump to me. Liquidity taken. 1 minute time frame. Trying to hold VWAP here. What's the consensus there, Army Piper? Do you have a report for me? Oh, man. This just looks like a beautiful golden pocket retracement liquidity sweep. First move is usually false. Yeah. It's always the fake out. Yeah. Sweep and go. They've squeezed all the shorts up here, so good job. Bearish for stocks and crypto near term. Growth is strong, but inflation is still hot. Higher for longer, baby. Higher for longer. Trouble. Too much pink box. Pump and dump. Trying to hold VWAP. Trying to push above. No push. First moves up. First moves up. Rug and then go. We'll see. We'll see, guys. I don't know. This doesn't look too strong. This looks like a squeeze like we had yesterday. Very squeezy. Solana. Solana looks okay. NASDAQ has squeezed a lot here. My God. Okay. NASDAQ squeeze. Bitcoin push, maybe? Trying to push? Liquidity has been taken quite nicely out of these highs in here, so it has permission to go down. Still waiting here. No trade. Damn. You guys think it has one hole? You guys are smart people, man. I think a straw has two holes. I think a straw has two holes. I think you guys are fibbing to me. Can you tell GTA 6 to get off of my feed on Twitter? Jesus. That's all I see is GTA 6 now. Solana weakness, NASDAQ strength. NASDAQ strength, interesting. Oh my God. Holy Scheissenhausen. Squeeze. Down? I prefer down right now. No trade, but I prefer down. We'll just say that. Anybody want to come in and install a TV for me? 360 people here. What's going on, everybody? Here taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. We took 2 trades yesterday with you guys. We made what? 500-600 on the live stream yesterday? Something like that? 500? That was a good live stream yesterday. I mean, Monday, Tuesday, we took no trades. And now we're here, waiting, really. Aggressive moves through VWAP's typically bullish. Got NASDAQ trying to push here. Still no trades. I did about $4,000 yesterday. Now we are looking to add to this. Typically, I realize profits at 55,000, but might try to bring this thing up to 60. Who knows? Just slow and steady wins the race. Right now, Bitcoin trying to hold VWAP. VWAP hold and go. We got a little bit of a balloon donkey here. This thing's got some wicked ears, right? We got some balloon donkey with a wicked ass ears, man. This is the Doberman right here. It's got those whoosh, woof, woof. See if we can get going here. NASDAQ continuation. Expecting a big gap up for the SPY this morning. ES. Lower highs on ES. Interesting. So this is contrarian to what I'm thinking right now. It's always good to have a different perspective. We got bear flag or bull flagging here at the lows though. Bull flagging at the lows is where you want to buy it. No trade though. Still waiting. Chop at the WAP. Worst place to be when you have indecision. When you don't have a valid trend or valid setup, right? Like these shorts were good, right? Because you have an aggressive move through VWAPs, typically bearish, continuation down. Now you have news-driven data through bearish, retest it. So we would look for continuation up right now. However, the way it happened, right? So always cautious with. We know people are longing this thing and getting trapped here, right? Every new retail trader has longed this thing, and they're either underwater because they hope it would go up, right? So we don't want to be those guys, which we're not. No trade right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades. Okay. Our job is to be patient and let the market tell us which way it wants to go. That's just my 2 cents. You do what you want to do. We'll do some top-down analysis as well. Aggressive move through VWAP's typically bearish, so it's just indecision right now. Chop at the WAP, right? A volume-weighted average price. You got to think of it as like the area where the most average amount of buyers and sellers are agreeable to exchange the price. It's just the area on average for that day where buyers and sellers are willing to exchange it, right? So it likes it here. That's why it works, right? That's why VWAP is S tier. Ask any trader who uses VWAP. It's S tier, man. There's lots of indicators and stuff like that, but VWAP is by far S tier. If there's one thing I would just learn how to trade, it's VWAP, but you do you. You do you. Good morning, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 377 people here. Incredible. 380. I guess crypto is alive again, even though it died yesterday. So thank you guys for being here and hanging out. Hopefully you're having a beautiful day. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. We're doing a giveaway today. If you do want to participate, in the pinned comments, you can use the Bitunix link. Okay. Support the channel. Deposit. Please and thank you. Go over there and sign up with the Bitunix link. VIP 3 automatically. Good deals. $1,500 giveaway today. I mean, a couple of Discord members won the 500s yesterday. That's pretty sweet. Love seeing you guys win, man. Anything helps, man. I know when I was a new trader, like I was trading like $1,000 account, like that would have been a big boost to my potential profitability. So sign up with that link. You get the VIP 3, you get the $1,500 giveaway, and we do 5,000 a week. So I mean, you got some good odds, and it's not like I have a billion people who are signed up. So it's like you actually have a chance to win. Just wondering what your VWAP is set at. Mine doesn't look like yours. So it's because the exchange you're using. So if you're on volume, I use the Bybit chart up here. You see Bybit? This is the volume that I have back tested on, okay? USDT perps. So this is the chart, in my opinion, where VWAP works the best. Okay? Some people say other charts are better. I would say mine's better, but I'm biased. And I mean, if you're profitable with another VWAP, stick with that, man. I mean, but I have found the most confluence with the Bybit chart. I found there's a least amount of scam wicks on Bybit chart for volume. Volume's pretty steady here, right? There's a lot of people on it, right? If I was to go to another one, it'd probably be Binance, right? Pick your poison. Pick your poison. It's all. So it's just because it's volume on the exchange. So it's going to be different on different exchanges. That's all. Still trying to hold here. Chop at the WAP, man. Worst place to be. NASDAQ indecision, sweep of the highs, rotation down. So taking a look at Bitcoin, where are we going? What's happening? What are we looking at, everybody? Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. So when we look at Bitcoin, where are we at, man? Oh my God, we're going to die, right? This is good. Like, I mean, capitulation's great. As you can see, we had our rollover, our hopium rally, our dump into a new low in, what do we say, mid to late June. Ching! Easiest call of the world. Big rollover here. This is still bear flagging, okay? This is bear flagging. In order to get bullish, we need higher highs and higher lows. When we look at this on a macro, I mean, this ain't even macro, but on the daily here, this looks like absolute dog trash, right? So if this then that, it needs to find a bottom and some support here, whatever, right? Some sort of accumulation. We have some critical volume in our face, right? Some critical volume. Where's my volume levels? Oh, there we go. So in order to get bullish, I think we need to get above 63. Plain and simple. We need to get above 63. Otherwise, we're going to trade between 58 and 63. Okay? So that's as simple as you can keep it. Find your volume macro support levels. I've been calling for 47 forever. Okay? I sound like a broken record to most people. Which is fine. From now, so we're at the end of July. Doesn't mean we can't go lower. But from now, seasonality gives you a rally into typically end of August, September. So we're going to get some hopium. This is my guess, okay? We're going to get some hopium here. Whether we make a new low, right? Maybe we do another one. And then you're going to... Piper knows exactly what's going to... He's probably sitting there on his wanking chariot laughing. And then everybody going to get humble pied. Okay? This is the one that gives you it dry, okay? This bear market rallies are awesome, and I'm expecting one. I am expecting one. This is the one. Do we come down and make a rally, and do we make a higher low, or do we make a lower low? That's the question. That's the only question you should have. But this is the one, in my opinion, that you should definitely be preparing for. Okay? This one will define whether you, I don't know, make a lot of money going into the bull market or not. So be prepared. Maybe you want to join a community that has 8 different traders that are constantly on these charts, providing the alpha, the omega, the eggs. You can join the gang if you want. But building in the bear is what's going to separate you, okay, from retail Joe down the street who has, you know, he's got a nice Toyota Corolla and a nice Honda Sienna. No, that's Toyota as well. Honda Odyssey. Okay? But you want to be coming out with your G-Wagon and your Lambo. Well, now's the time. So if this, then that, right? You got time, but you don't have time, if you know what I mean. Okay, so can we fall much lower? Absolutely. Very, very probable, actually. Downtrend. Where are we going? Holding this range. Trying to hold this volume macro support. When we look on our weekly, we have a anchor trigger wave here. It's got to get going, right? And this could lead to the little rally. I would expect something like this. This is the one that wrecks everyone. So we'll see. Our daily here, same deal. Okay, a little pump and dump. This is just this dump here is very, very cruel. But this pump here, if we get above this high, will F up everybody. Okay, probably myself included. But I'll be aware because I have a plan. So preparing for it this way. Anchor trigger right now. Bullish divergence at the lows. Typically returns to where it started. Okay. Will it get there? That's the question. our 12-hour trying to push up right now. So we do have a little bit of like hopium on our higher term time frames because they're down here, which means that, you know, we can at least get relief. Not meaning bull run, but relief. Okay, when you're trading down here oversold. For today though, yesterday was a gong show, man. We had the SFP, the short down, the pump back up. We went down 7%, up 4%, right? And we're here again, right? We took the low here. We took the low here, right? We've made new lows. Okay. Equal lows, pretty much equal lows, but it's lower. It took it. In my opinion, it took it. Okay, so equal lows, higher highs, higher lows. Is this sufficient of a dump? Yes and no. Yes and no. Lots of liquidity under here still. Okay, do they come back? Typically on an aggressive dump, okay, this one was garbage. They will send it back for at least one more. You go and back test any, we were talking about this yesterday in the Discord. You go back and back test any of the significant bottoms that led to bull runs or big ass runs. They wreck you a couple times, okay? They've only done it once. And this was Mickey Mouse shit. I mean, go over here. Where do you want to see a good old dump? Right here. This one was good, wasn't it? Look at this. Look at this one, man. All right? They gave it to you twice. Wha-bam. Wha-bam. And then they came back for you over here. Right? And this is a good lesson, too, in the fact that, you know, even when they rug you, there's always a chance to actually get on the run, which means time. This is August 5th. This is friggin' September 5th. This is a month. You have to actually catch the run. You have a month. Look at that. Do you want to get long here? Wait a month and then experience this? Or do you just want to get long here and just experience it, right? We talk about this a lot too, right? Where it's like, I don't really care about getting long here. I just want to be able to identify this and get long somewhere in here so I get paid, right? You don't need to be the bottom snatcher of, you know, Valhalla trading. You just need to get on the lazy river and ride this bitch up when it happens. And hopefully we'll help you do that. I did it last run and I was new to trading. So this run we gonna whoop some ass if we get a run. That's a whole nother story. So 4, 3, 2, and 1. Where are we going? How are we gonna get there, right? So right now we got double bottoms at the lows. Back into the zero line. Indecision. Anchor trigger wave. Trigger to the downside. We are in a downtrend. We rugged yesterday. We have Micron earnings last night at close, and you can see it's up 18% leading into the stock market. ES is up. NASDAQ is up. I expect a big gap up coming into market open here for the SPY. We'll see how it behaves. We just got a whole bunch of fake news data coming out. Still relatively bearish, says Piper, but good for growth long term. Okay? If we go over to our flashbang CME Fed watch, whoosh, I said watch September. Watch September. We go over to September. 50%. This is still at 50%. So are they going to hike on your bike or what? Sorry about the flashbang, guys. Oh, that blinds me too. Woof. All right. And it doesn't really matter. Look, yesterday we did $4,000 because of the volatility. You give me some price action with some movement, you can ask. Ask the Discord. Where did we short, guys? Where did we short? Right here. Live, we were doing lessons. Guess what? We caught, right? Where did we short, guys? Right here. This is our setup. Right? Live. Everybody in the Discord. One's in the chat, right? Basic strategy that I teach. I won't tell you the strategy, but we all shorted together in the Discord. Okay? I mean, and like, it's not like we just got short here. We didn't, right? We're here and we shorted here. Okay? Anyways, we print. And we're going live today after the stream as well, so that should be fun. It always is, man. Discord be printing. Not to mention all the levels I leave for you guys to absolutely diddle the pink box like you guys always do. I mean, incredible. Set up for success, right? Last night, you got the pink box, you got the sell wall here, you got the pink box here. It pushes up, it consolidates, it pushes up, it gets rejected off the pink box, it retests in here, right? Prepared. Always prepared. And that's just me, man. There's 7 other people in there. Printing, baby. So that's the idea right now. So if this, then that. Can we continue? Maybe, right? We're in a downtrend. We should be expecting us to come down. However, we did have a nice sweep of liquidity yesterday. It has permission to go up now. We do have a little bit of constructive internal price action right now, but we want to see higher highs and higher lows. You know, our 4-hour high is still up here, guys. So, I mean, it's got some work to do. It's got some work. We don't have 2 green candles in a row right now, so no 4-hour high being established here at all. So it's got work to do, right? Everybody called that inverted head or that head and shoulders yesterday. Woof. The sweep of the high. Retest. Woof. Man. It's almost too easy sometimes. But we try to remain humble. We try to just execute with high probability trade setups. We'll see where we get to today. Chop at the WAP. Not a place where I like to take trades. We just got news data. Squeezing the shorts. So I would expect it to go down right now. Doesn't mean I'm taking the trade. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 440 people here on the live stream. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Where's those likes at? 120? Let's get it up to 169, baby. Notorious. Do all the prices right presentation again. Let's do it. A thin line, yeah. It's like a thong, right? Between S tier and ass tier. Balloon Dog in the house. Yeah, Balloon Dog's trying to do its thing, man. I'll start buying. No, with you Ferrari F8 or Porsche. I don't know, man. I met all my neighbors yesterday. They're probably checking out the channel. They're like, this guy's a fucking asshole. I'm not leaving my children around him to play with his kid, right? They're probably like, man, this weird ass guy just talking shit and clicking buttons. Why is your target 47? Because it has been forever, man. It has been 47. It's a liquidity sweep order block volume test level that no one's really looking at. That's why. It's a whole plethora. It's just me, man. I mean, I sold at 124 2.5 Bitcoin out of my stash. Not that I have a big stash, guys, okay? Army Piper sold, what was it, 126, bro? So maybe go and ask Piper what his bottom prediction is. Okay. I should bring the new neighbors some cider, yeah? What did I tell them I do for a living? I click 2 fucking buttons. That's what I tell everybody. I'm really good at clicking 2 buttons. And I talk shit on YouTube. That's exactly what I say to everybody. My wife rolls her eyes. And then I try not to tell them that I used to be a carpenter, because then they want, they're going to hit me up later. If they saw me install this TV, they would never ask for any help, ever. Oh, my God. Oh, man. He thinks mid-40s. There we go. Never met a hotter otter. Wick 589. Damn fine. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. How you doing? How you and wifey doing? Oh, too good, man. Too good. Thank you for being here, everybody, and hanging out. We'll see where we get to. Roll over now. Roll over now, and we'll see where we get to. Okay? Expectation order flow is still down. Yes, we swept and squeezed Up top, down we go. Very choppy and poppy today, guys. Should be a fun one. Oh man, I should go get some coffee. What do you guys think? Is it coffee long time? It's coffee short time for sure. Okay, so you guys said that when I put the headphone down, the song goes off, right? So let's try this. I'm gonna put the headphone down and then start the music. Okay, let's see. Stops, right? It stopped. Now you're good. Put a 1 in the chat if you're good.
Into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it.
All right.
Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watching for, send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the post, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watching for, send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the post, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. chat if you are short. Dump it. Hey. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Hey. Dump it. Who in the chat if you are short? Dump it. Hey. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Hey. Watch it fall. Send it to zero. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it fall. Send it to zero. Send it to zero. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the post, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it fall. Send it to zero. Send it to zero. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Hey. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Hey. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it.
All right. Oh, look at that. The headphone even turned off the music for me. Coffee Long. Printing. All right. Okay, chop at the top. Interesting. Leading into market open. We got 25 minutes here. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down right now. Pretty sporadic price action. Like chop and then bam, down we go. So looking to come for this liquidity over here, really. What is that? Yeah, 1% move here. Either sweep of the lows, 786. Retest to previous highs. Locally here. So either we're sweeping and bouncing. We're VWAP and dumping. Squeeze, bear flagging down. My only concern is like pre-market, we're very bullish. Pre-market, very bullish, coming for the highs. Could just open up pre-market, then dump. SPY, pre-market, obviously gap to the upside. So it's going to be interesting, I think, coming in here. We can see that the NASDAQ is a little bit Lake Placid right now. So no trade right now. I think it's a matter of a bit of patience, in my opinion. What's going on? Good morning, Mortimer. How you doing, man? 400 people were in here, and now we have 340. People are like bird-brained. That's all right, man. The coffee's good. Alex has the best crypto tracks. Yeah, let's go, baby. I mean, people just leave, though. Alex looks like the bear market happened with his hair. Yeah, man. Absolutely. This is like a gay Imagine Dragons song. Sweet, man. Thanks, Dano. Who is your daddy and what does he do? All right, so it worked. All right, good. No, it's you leave the same song on repeat and it's kind of like torture. Okay, maybe I just put the playlist on then. Gel that mop. Ain't nobody waking up at 4 a.m. and putting gel in their hair to go and sit on a wanking chariot and click 2 buttons, man. There's no effing way that I'm going to gel my hair in the morning. 1, it's gay. 2, it's gay. And 3, no. I'm going to touch my hair once and then touch the keyboard and it's going to look like I'm literally on a wanking chariot because my button will stick, especially the control button when I use the magnet. Alex O, Slick O. Right? Yeah, sticky keys, right? Mine are sticky already. Don't need to add to the confusion. I have seriously considered going for a haircut like 100 times a day for the last week. But you guys want me to, you know, this is who you're trading against. This is what you want. This is what you want right here. Alex O. Domo Origato. Don't forget who you're trading against, okay? When you make $4,000 in a day off of clicking 2 simple buttons, then you can look like this. That's my motivational speech. Right? That's the motivational speech. Bon chance. I mean, you can look like whatever you want at that point. Please, only Magneto. Jason Casper cuts my hair. Yeah, it's my barber. Let's do a screenshot and tag him. Let's do it. Let's do it. Now it looks like a dick. I need to get the full receding though. I need the receding in here. There. Let's pull this over. Let's pull this over. Brother. Oh, shit. All right, now let's go over and tag JC. My stream said you gave me my haircut. I remind them that we are who they are trading against. God bless. Guys, go blow up the post, man. Go blow up the post if you want. You can follow me on Twitter. I post on there. I should just put. Oh, we got. I should just put. I should get rid of myself here. Virus protection's going off. Oops. Where's my video capture? Here we are. I'm gonna shrink. All right, I'm gonna take myself off. There. And I'm just gonna leave this down here. People are gonna come on and be like, what the fuck is this? Who is this guy? I'm just gonna leave it down here, guys. They'll be like, his lips aren't moving, but he's talking. His lips aren't moving, but he's still talking, guys. Who is this magician? Look like Vegeta. I mean, I would wear my hair like that all day if I could look like Vegeta. If I had half of Vegeta's powers. Kakarot. Push into VWAP here. 15 minutes to market opens. You guys are killing me, man. I would definitely give him money to invest with. This is who you're trading against, man. Just a reminder, okay? No trade right now. Still waiting, guys. Higher low, continuation up. Trying to flip VWAP. We are literally just hanging out here. So for me right now, I'm not really. I'm going to wait till market opens. That's kind of where I'm at. We'll see if we do. Need some sort of decision of direction, right? Like we have the fake out, the squeeze. So obviously we want to see this come down. However, we are holding higher lows. This is a golden pocket 786 bounce level. So we do have potential to bottom out here. Looking for that sweep and go. Okay. Into market open. Sweep into these lows. 786 bounce. Push up into our 786 golden pocket, which we have tapped now. That's kind of funny. We gave that earlier. Key resistance level here at 61,600. Okay. So that's going to be a little bit of a challenge here if we are going to get moving upwards here. And then we look to be supported by 60,300. Okay, so be prepared. Our major target 63,000. That would be acceptance back above this range, breaking the high, the 4-hour high and going. Obviously, violence yesterday followed by some pushes. So can we continue upwards, or are we going to come back for some liquidity, which I would be more of a fan if we went down right now to establish a low for late June and a rally into August. We'll see. July, August. So I prefer down. Doesn't mean we're going to get it. We have to have a nice V-shaped recovery yesterday, like an absolute beautiful, like 3% move. So does it want to follow through here, or do we have to come back down? It's not for me to decide. Too good. I mean, you can't have fun if you don't make fun of yourself. You got to be able to make fun of yourself. You guys all retweeting that. Doing a $1,500 giveaway today, though, guys, if you do want to sign up with Bitunix. I just don't want you guys to miss it. If you are new here, coming in, 370 people here on the live stream, 161 likes. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. We're here live every morning. Chop at the wop. No trades. No trades. SPY. SPY is going to be interesting. Does SPY come up and fill the gap here? If we gap up and then fill this thing here, we have very much permission to dump. Okay. Micron earnings. Sheesh. still up here, like hasn't really moved. So for me, it's like this could be like a gap up an absolute rug show. That's something that I would love to short. If Micron starts dumping, right, it's going to be up whatever, 12% for the day. No, it's going to be up like 17. Yeah. And then we rug. That would be juicy. NASDAQ showing some weakness here as it gets acceptance back into the range. Looking to hunt some liquidity down below here. Yeah, it should be ES breakout retest. Bull flagging. I did say to buy down here. That's interesting. Nice push though. Still weakness. Exhaustion up at the highs from the news. Lots of obviously Bart Simpson-esque on the higher term time frames. So obviously the massive push up after Micron earnings. Halfway down the candle, look to trade into the ears, right? Always look to trade into the ears whenever you see the Bart Simpson. The ears is where you get paid. Halfway down the candle, basically, right? You look to come back into the ears and then have your reaction. That's how I trade it. But yeah, a little bit of weakness here. You know, continuation, then rollover. Bitcoin. Under VWAP, so still bearish. Obviously, we've broken through VWAP. We've retested, but we're chopping at it. So for me, whenever we're just sitting in VWAP, I can see that they're all agreeable on just exchanging the price here. It doesn't mean we're necessarily going in either direction. However, we have been held under, and the way we came down into it is bearish, right? Okay, you can see how it flipped it and it pushed. Beautiful. And now we are holding underneath it. Now, if we can get going and then come back and retest it, that's where you look to trade VWAP for the continuation trade. Okay. In this situation, you're looking for rejections. So no touchy right now, especially when we have, you know, less than 10 minutes to market open. It's not really too tantalizing of a trade. We don't even have 0.5% of a move in here, so trading is waiting. Occasionally, trading is not trading, which is actually pretty fun. Because at least price is moving, right? So we'll see where we get to today. Happy Thursday. Happy GTA Day. You guys are all not buying the GTA. That's fine. Look at Wen, bro. Wendy is crazy. Good morning, V Monitor. God bless you. How you doing, man? Shem, how you doing? God bless you. Alexander G. V Monitor. Dusty, how you doing? Marine Mike says we're going up. We'll see, man. I think right now, like I said, if we're below VWAP, we should be looking for the sweep of the low and a bounce. Or we come to hunt this liquidity down here. We never came back for this low here. Last night, we were looking for potential buys down in here. We never, ever, ever came back for it. Which is makes this a big, big target, okay? This is like big target. And obviously we've grabbed this guy here, so. All right. Let's see where we get to here. Can you believe that GTA 6 cost $2 billion? There's some crazy images. Look at this. The Burj Khalifa. 1.5 billion 6 years. GTA 6. 2 billion 12 years. Sheesh. Sheesh. That's all my Twitter feed is, man. Did you see the 85-foot statue of Lionel Messi? These guys are nuts, man. You guys see the... You ever see Counter-Strike for girls? There's some weird stuff now on the internet, man. You ever see Counter-Strike for girls? This is all the females are gonna unfollow me. Counter-Strike for girls? Anybody ever see this? Oh, it's too funny. I should stop, man. There's a line, and I think we just continuously cross it. Floor cleaners and spray bottles. Oh shit. Too far. The neighbors are definitely not leaving. That's okay. I don't want more kids, man. You can keep your kids. My son is enough. They're cleaning off the tags you spray on the wall. They're just like following you around. My God. Coming into market open, 6 minutes, guys. Damn, this has been like a snooze fest, really. Snooze fest. Still not used to this office. It feels too large. My last office was quite tight. Now it's I got space. SpaceX. Rejection off VWAP, continuation down. Up or down? Someone asked up or down. I would think down right now. I would think down into these lows. If we're going somewhere, I think we're coming for these two here. That's what I would think. Am I in it? No. Market open will tell us a lot more than, you know. Rotation down. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I was thinking about getting another computer. I gotta see what's a write-off. Like, is there something I can write off for the business that's like fun? If Steven's here, Steven the beautiful accountant I have, he actually has amazing hair. He's got like the flow, you know. He's got like, I can't do Steven's hair. He's gonna be like, you really gonna talk shit about me on your live stream? He's British too. All right. He's got like this flow, man. I don't know how to do it. He's like does a part. He does the part, and then he has like the Dracula bangs, you know? Fucking handsome devil, you. Steven, if you're there, what can I write off that's fun in my office? Pinball machine. What about like stress relief? So like I need stress relief for my business. So I really could use the GTA 6 and a PS5, right? An anti-gravity chair. Maybe a massage chair, right? A bottle of water. A bottle of water. It's Tuesday, innit, bruv? My wife's British. Saipa. Tuesday. I'm chewing on it. On your bike, you wanker. You're an absolutely... You're a tosser, mate. Oh, my wife's going to kill me. She's probably listening in. She's probably like, yeah, my husband is a retard. When I went to a wedding, and the first thing, you're a good looking cunt, aren't you? I'm like, what? Whoa, that was out of left field, man. I wasn't ready for that. You say that word in Canada, it's like racism. I just start saying like Harry Potter words and shit when I'm around her family. I'm just like, Wingardium Leviosa. Right? Yeah. They all want me to be Aston Villa fans, right? Do you want a chippy tea, mate? You want to go get a chippy tea with that curry sauce? A ciabatta and a crisp sandwich, mate. That's what I grew up on. Cool, man. Sounds terrible. I mean, I lived in Scotland for a year. It's even harder to understand those guys up there. I love Scotland though. Scotland, those are my people, man. If I had to live in the UK, it'd be Scotland for sure. Be Scotland, or I go like Devon. I'd go like down south or something, Devon, or I don't know. To the sea. To the sea, mate. Even though it's still gloomy. 30 seconds here, guys. I have tried haggis. Yes. It's gross. Are you a Villa fan? Let's go, Villa. Let's go. Glaswegian accent, man. Mouth of marbles. Here we go, baby. NASDAQ. Retest the previous lows. Continuation down. Interesting. SPY gonna gap up. Then what? That is always the question. Soy Boy Lana looks weak as ever. Let's go, baby. Market is open. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Big gap up. Big gap energy. Look, I was pretty accurate with that gap energy here. Trying to fill the gap above here. MU ripping. Melton face is up 17.5% to start the day. Keep an eye on Micron. NASDAQ pump and dump. Rotation down. Bitcoin pump and dump. Rotation down. Solana pump and dump. All right. Coming down for the lows. Looking to sweep the low and go. Can you sweep and go? Push. NASDAQ. Micron down 1% already. Looking to come and fill this gap here today on the SPY and then dump. I want to see this. We'll see. Okay. Below VWAP. Continuation down. Looking to sweep the lows on Bitcoin. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. And put a 3 in the chat if you're skiing, baby. Solana down. NASDAQ down. Coming for that low. Sweep. Sweep and go. Bitcoin sweep and go. 786 bounce level. Here's the sweep. Can we go? Sweep and go? No. Sweep and go? No. Lower. That's what she said. Sweep and go. Still bearish. Not closing above in the range here. NASDAQ lower. Micron holding. NASDAQ lower. Okay. Bitcoin weakness. 2s are winning, man. That's short, guys. Whew. All right. Coming down here, 786 for Bitcoin. Soy Boy Lana, equal lows. Trying to hold. Trying to hold here. Bitcoin, no holding power. Weakness, 786 bounce level. Lower. SPY, dumping. SPY dumping. Micron holding. Bitcoin rolling over. Trying to hold. Bounce and go. Retest to previous highs. Bounce and go. Still no trade here. Solana trying to hold on for dear life. NASDAQ. Continuation down. Nice dump this morning. GG's on your shorts, everybody. I just didn't want to swing short it. I did say I would expect it to go down. Good job, everybody. Twos in the chat. GG's, baby. GG's. Good job. Let's go. Otter gang. Gang. Gang, baby. Breakdown. Trying to hold here. Retest to previous lows on the table here for shorts. NASDAQ still showing weakness. SPY. Big dump on SPY. That's that Tesla, Nvidia, all those Microsoft being down for the day, coming back and filling this gap right now. Gap filled down below is bullish for the rest of the day, though, so remember that as well. Sweep of the lows bounce here for Bitcoin. Trying to close back within the range. Below VWAP, rotation down. NASDAQ, still no bounce here. SPY, rotation down as well. Solana trying to hold on here. Solana trying to hold on. Bitcoin retesting the lows right now. Retested the lows, continuation down, or are we going to bounce? NASDAQ says no. SPY says no. Bitcoin retesting. Sweep of the lows, bounce. Remember, we're looking for a sweep and continuation up potentially here for Bitcoin. Nice sweep and go. Nice pushback. Can it hold here? 2 minutes on this candle, no trade. Solana holding. NASDAQ still rotating down. SPY still rotating down. 1 minute time frame on SPY. NASDAQ holding. Bitcoin bouncing, leading the way. Bitcoin front running NASDAQ. Retest of previous lows right now. Micron still ripping and melting faces. SPY still looking weak here. Bitcoin retest of previous lows. Continuation down. Coming back for late shorts right now. Could consider a short here. Retest of previous lows on Solana. Down we go. Still holding here on Bitcoin. NASDAQ trying to hold on. No trade. Still waiting. Nice little rollover this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 440 people here and only 170 likes, guys. Come on, baby. You can do it all night long. Rotation down here for Solana. Okay, we got a bid coming in on NASDAQ and SPY. Doji engulfing, continuation up. Still looking weak here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin retested previous lows, continuation down. Holding here on NASDAQ, retested the lows again. NASDAQ still has liquidity to come take here. Bitcoin rolling over quite aggressively, leading the way today. Okay. Solana looking weak, looking to come into these lows right here. Sweeping this low is ideal for Solana. Could lead to a head and shoulders later on, but not right now. Bitcoin holding on. NASDAQ retesting, rotation down. SPY holding on. Still no trade, waiting. Bear flagging breaking down. Nice little dump here. We're going to have a decent orb today. In a good spot too, right in between two support and resistance levels. We have one here and one here. If we get an orb in here, that makes for a nice trading day because you get like multiple confluences throughout. Okay, retest of previous lows, continuation down. Yeah, negative posturing here on our volume. Yeah, ugly. Down we go. NASDAQ. Yeah, there's that weakness. SPY indecision up at the highs. NASDAQ continues to rotate down. Same with Biddy here. Soy Boy Lana, same deal. No trade here, still waiting. We got bull divs in here. Just patience right now. 12-minute market cipher, bullish divergence. Yeah, 24 still bleeding here. Money flow coming out. 1 hour trigger to the downside, yeah. So 12-minute bull div here, potentially for a pushback. Still no trade, waiting. NASDAQ defending these highs right now, right here. Bitcoin still looks weak. I still think we need to come here, 60,650. Micron's still holding. SPY, there we go. SPY's coming down now. NASDAQ's coming down now. Nice. Great short. Great short. Needs to come lower. Nice push here for Biddy. Thank you guys for being on the live, and congratulations on your shorts. That squeeze really tells us, right? Just like yesterday, we had the squeeze up, the rotation down, right? Squeeze up, rotation down. Same deal as yesterday. Very, very similar. So, pretty simple trade. I just didn't like the chop at the WAP. Looking to come and sweep these lows. Nice dump here for Bitcoin. GG's everybody on your short. We'll see if we continue. It's going to be a nice orb today, baby. Let's go. Patience, patience, patience. We go live trading in the Discord after this. This should be fun. Coming down for that liquidity down here. Bitcoin bleeding out right now. The thing that stops you too, right? Like if you're in a golden pocket 786, right? Low, high, low, right? You're looking for that follow through here. So also stops you from looking for that short generally. I mean, obviously we had this level here that we should have shorted, but obviously that was news driven. So it's a little bit different, you know. Great short, everybody. NASDAQ dumping. SPY dumping. This is good, guys. Like I said, I'd prefer down within the next couple of weeks. Put in a good low. Like, we need a good low. Like, violence, baby. Violence, man. 450 people of violence in the chat. Making money, printing money. Thank you guys for being here and printing with me. I do appreciate you guys, man. It's truly a privilege hanging out with you guys. I mean, the spoon is real. We protect the new traders, but we also spoon feed the gang in here. You guys are great, man. Thank you for supporting the channel and supporting me. I didn't think this was ever possible. Just chilling, clicking buttons, man. Chilling, clicking buttons. It's a lot. Every time I tell, like, the neighbors are like, "What do you do for a living?" I'm like, "YouTube, click 2 buttons," right? She's like, "It's a lot more complicated than that." It really isn't, honey. I don't call her honey. Don't tell her I said that. Look at this, baby. Rug 'em. NASDAQ dying. SPY dying. Good. Good. Dump it, baby. Okay, taking that liquidity out of these lows here. Sheesh. Send it to zero. Send it to zero. All right, liquidity taken on Solana. Straight down, baby. Straight down. GG's, everybody. Let me GG you all in the chat, man. Great short. How about that pink box given in advance in the Discord? Baby. Let's go, man. Just incredible. Love seeing you guys win, man. I love seeing you guys win. The feast is real. Ooh, NASDAQ coming back for those ears. Ooh, baby. Send it to zero, man. Bitcoin. You see, when you get a flash crash like we did yesterday, and then there's relief, there's a lot of sell orders coming in on those ETFs in the morning, right? Like, people are like, okay, it bounced. I got to get out now. So there's a lot of selling pressure coming in after a dump like that, because people overnight, they think, they get fearful, and they're into their portfolio, and they're like, okay, market sell at open, right? So that's your market sell at open coming in right now, hot off the press on the ETFs, right? That's what I think this is. You guys tell me. Here's our higher term time frame golden pocket. All right. Higher term time frame golden pocket. Big dump here this morning, everybody. GG's on the short. Hopefully you're all printing, having a wonderful day. Thank you guys for being here. Alex O. Should have taken a short though. Yeah. Should have, could have, didn't. That's fine. Rotation. 618 bounce level here, guys. So you go swing low to swing high, 618. Right? Should get a little reaction out of this thing here at minimum. NASDAQ still down. Retest of previous lows, continuation down potentially. Or Solana retest of here and continuation down. Are we allowed to bottom blast on AlexOCrypto? Oh, there's a NVIDIA buy level coming in. Send it to 0. Oh, baby, look at the SPY. It's going down. Oh, baby, baby, baby. I think Army Piper is selling, guys. Oh, Solana. Solana. Nice to know ya. Micron dumping now. Ooh, those earnings only could hold you up for so long, buddy. My goodness. Dump it. Dump it. Violence, baby. Golden pocket bounce level. This is our local sell wall here now. Whew. It ain't even orb yet, man. We're going to have an orb the size of, you know, something rude. This is great. GG's. For all you shorts. Golden pocket bounce here. Down we go. Whew, sell-off is real. A little bit of relief here. NASDAQ coming back down. No relief for NASDAQ. No relief for Bitcoin. Ripping off the Band-Aid this morning, everybody. Holy Macintosh apples. You know? Oh, man. Here's our orb for the day, guys. Orb is in. Holy shit. Oh, man. 50% orb, of course. Of course. We'll just make this one blue. There we go. Wild. Little relief here, pushing back. Little relief on the 15-minute time frame here. Pushing back, continuation down. SPY. Guys, violence, man. Holy dump. This is great. Long John Silver, orb. Long this, man. What a target. Damn. This is disgusting. Bitcoin is Lake Placid, guys. There is no second best. Right through our golden pocket. Fuck, I wish I shorted. You guys can all put some chickens in the chat because AlexOCrypto is a chicken. Buck, buck, buck. You know how good I've gotten at making animal noises since having a child? Oh, man. His favorite song is I Just Can't Wait to Be King by The Lion King. And he just goes, lion. And we go, and then he's like, he's ready. Son is ready. Oof, gap filled on the SPY. Down we go. So good. Bye, Bitcoin. I'll see you later. We're going to trade in the Discord after this. We're going to get a V-shaped recovery today or what? Or are we just going to go to zero? I say we come to 58,000 at this point. Macro volume support at 58,000. Big dump. I said we should be expecting shorts here. I didn't take it. I think a lot of you guys took the short, man. So congratulations. Great trade, everybody. NASDAQ coming into the support of the lows here. Spies just down, man. SPY is down. Looking for relief. Can we get relief? Orb retest, continuation down into pink box. It's not even going to give us that, guys. Everything down 2%. Micron down 7% after that big opening. Whew. I told you, if AI dumps, man, everything, the pain is real. The pain is real. Rip it off, Band-Aid. Beautiful. Okay, into support level here for Bitcoin. There is no support level, man. There is no support level. It's just selling pressure. NASDAQ, a little relief. Okay, put your twos in the chat. All you guys who bottom blasted. All you guys who bottom blasted. I see you out there. I didn't bottom blast. I'm still no trades. You know what I think of you guys?
All the gang. Gang.
Gang.
Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi-bambi. Don't be a douche canoe.
Twos in the chat.
Don't be a nambi-bambi. Wait for the trade. All the gang. Gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi-bambi. Don't be a douche canoe.
Holding support here.
Don't be a nambi-bambi. Douche canoe. Nambi-bambi.
NASDAQ pushback. Great dump here, guys.
Wait for the trade. All the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi-bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi-bambi. Douche canoe. Nambi-bambi. Douche canoe. Nambi-bambi. Douche canoe. Nambi-bambi.
No relief, guys.
For the trade. All the gang.
That's how the money is made.
Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi-bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a nambi-bambi. Douche canoe. Nambi-bambi. All the dang.
Wild. Continuation down here. NASDAQ, no relief. Bitcoin, no relief. Big capitulation dump here, guys. Massive dump. This is like burritos and chili all at the same time. Down 3%. VWAP for the win, man. S tier. Sheesh. What a dump. Let's see if we get any sort of relief here, guys. 952. And if you didn't take the trade, you can sign up with the Bitunix link and and make $500, maybe even $1,500 that way. Because right now, this thing going down, baby. This thing going down. No trade right now. Holy. Woof. Jeez, you guys are all printed, man. This thing's beautifully dumping. Let's go. Not really gonna trade here, guys. That's just how it is, man. Vegas sold. See, there we go, man. You guys all falling knife. Good day, Alex. Man, am I missing your shows? Traveling. Lewis, good to see you, man. Thank you for popping in, bro. Hopefully you're having a wonderful adventure out there, man. Stay safe, bro. Still waiting. Down we go, baby. Down we go. MU. Oof. Leading the charge. Failing to push your higher term time frame low. New lows coming in, baby. Oh, brother. Oh, shit. Oh, new lows. We're in the new lows section, man. You know, not the hardware store. If we slap 58, I'm longing it, man. If we slap 58, I am longing this thing, man. Oh, Madonna. Rip off the Band-Aid, baby. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo. See ya later. We need like a see you later alligator song for Bitcoin. SPY destroyed, NASDAQ destroyed. Jeez, trillions of dollars going to zero. Beautiful. This is violence, baby. I love violence. Oh, just come and do a little slap down here, a little slap and bounce, please. Just give me the little slap and bounce. NASDAQ is so cooked. Oh, brother. Ooh. Bart Simpson in the house. I said Bart Simpson. How many times did I say Bart Simpson in this stream? 3, 4 times? Jeez. I didn't expect it to happen this fast, but it happened. Damn. Oh, I might be a buyer of Solana today. Solana going to zero. Damn, Daniel. In the pink box, sweep of the lows, bounce level. Can it hold? Doesn't look like it, guys. It don't look good. This looks very, very gross. Those who are short, man. I'm not in a single trade. I am AlexO, no profits today. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Pink box bounce, continuation up. Yeah, right. Relief. A little bit of relief coming in. SPY says, yeah, right. No relief. There is no second best, guys. Damn, this is good. This is good. Nice pushback here. Can we push back? 1 minute time frame, Bitcoin. We're splitting hairs here. 1 minute block. Volume here. 1 minute block. Volume. No trade. This is McNasty, man. This is good. I like this. 500 people on the live stream. What's going on, everybody? AlexOCrypto here. We're live every morning, taking the trades, showing the trades, $1 million scalps all day long. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. This thing is ripping to the downside. Bitcoin dumping. New lows coming in. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless you. Hopefully you're having a beautiful day. We're here talking shit, taking trades, trying to make crypto honest again. We wanted the dump, but we didn't expect the dump to be like this. Holy smokes, Batman. This is good. This is good. Coming back and grabbing a lot of liquidity here in the SPY and the NASDAQ. Bitcoin down only. Solana down only, coming to critical levels down below here. 64,000. Next stop, $60. Okay, we got a 1 minute block again. Jeez. Like I said, I want a long 58. You guys think I'm crazy probably. That could be crazy. Down only right now. Coming into 58. Macro support. Give me a little bit of violence, baby. Come on, slap it and go. Slap it and go, baby. Slap and go? Volume support? Gonna do it or no? Considering along here. Let's go. Up 2,000. Yeah, boy. Let's go. Otter gang. Who took the long? Let's go, baby. Woo. Emotional regulation. Eat my shorts. Not taking it. I mean, I chickened out on the last one, right? Let's go, baby. 580 on the live.
kicking down the door. Click buttons, make money. Click buttons, make money.
Retest to previous lows. 75% out, up 3,000.
All right, gang, feast your eyes on this. Dig in.
He's even a DJ now.
Get to the chopper, get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Get to the chopper, get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Right, pump it. Pump it.
What a scream, guys.
Pump it.
Why don't we do a giveaway? Bitunix link pinned in the comments. For all y'all who didn't catch the long with me, put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Let's go, baby. Given in advance, 58,000. Told ya. I get to say I told you so here. The spoon feeding is fucking unreal here, man. Join the Discord. That is called, we're going to call this trade the bollocks, okay? The dog's bollocks. It's a pub in, the dog's bollocks is a pub in Edinburgh. All right? That's called Silver Nuts. Oh, man, too much fun, man. Let's do the giveaway. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and the rest of it, man. It's truly a privilege to hang out with you guys. I mean, that's called a key level. Anyways. Oh, man, baby. Oh, man. Good fun. That was fun. Always fun, man. It's always fun hanging out here. Trading is hard. Don't get it twisted, okay? You know, sometimes we hype it up, but, you know, it's never easy, okay? It's always a challenge to have the conviction to take the trades based on your technical analysis, okay? Congratulations to everybody who's here, who got the long with me. We'll see if it does want to continue. A big old money bag push up right now. We'll see if it does want a V-shape recover. We've taken out 75%. If it wants to run, baby, it can run. Critical volume support level, was waiting for it. Sweep of the lows, pink box. It was all there. All you had to do is click the dang button. And congratulations to you guys there. So let's top blast. If you haven't gotten in, maybe you want to top blast. And let's do the giveaway, everybody. Thank you for being here. God bless you. Taking the trades, showing the trades every single day, baby. Let's go. Gang, gang, gang.
Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, gang,
JAT. Congratulations, bro.
Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just
MEN. Let's go, man.
Yeah, I'm blasting the top, enticing buyers in before the big drop.
We do 2,000 tomorrow if you want to sign up, participate every single Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. $5,000 giveaway, man. GG's, everybody. God bless you. Thank you for supporting the channel. HIG. Congratulations, guys, on your 500 USDT trading bonuses. Tomorrow we do 2,000. Spoon feeding. Or you can just come here and say good morning. That's the only thing I actually ask. Don't be weird and
started
Click button.
spiraling, losing my head. Should've
Great
closed the
fucking
laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an on the plan, babe. Don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a rally, the big V whack slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto want us to jam. That's the plan. But top blessing trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's crypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 bye.
We got 50K. This will be my last take profit. Then I'm leaving this to run. Don't be a dick for a tick. Push. I'll take that off there. Oh, no, brother. Ooh. Come on. Continuation. What you doing that for? Hello? Brother, what the beep? What are you doing that for? Oh. Oh, gotta love that. GG's, everybody. GG's in the chat. What a fucking stream today, baby. Catching the tippy bottom with the gang. Yeah, we didn't short the VWAP. Oh, well. We'll be all right. Up $4,000 today on the live stream. God bless you guys. We're going to go in the Discord and talk shit, and maybe we'll take some more trades. What a fucking stream. How do you like this? This is who you're trading against. Don't forget it. All right. I love you all. God bless you guys. Happy Thursday. See you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
What you know about juice? Making them moves that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.